Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello friends, PCLN, NVDA, Tesla, Netflix, CMG. So PCLN, new all-time high, breaking over the $2,000 mark, but we couldn't close over that level, so it is still resistance. That's a bearish reversal doji that formed today. We have to take it with a grain of salt because bulls are really good at negating bearish reversal candlesticks when they're in blue sky breakout. But if we do confirm it tomorrow and break 1993, the low, we will look to form a higher low compared to 1938 to keep those bulls in full control of the trend and very strong. So a little bit of caution up here. Indecision at the top of an uptrend does favor the bears. The weekly time frame is in full-on bull mode. Above the upper Bollinger Band, close up at the highs 3 weeks in a row, and depends on what tomorrow does, obviously. But the bulls are extremely strong. There's no red flags whatsoever on this chart. Just a little heads up that there may be some short-term healthy consolidation. NVDA, very strong close right on resistance. 167.50, so we had tops at 167.50, 167.40, and now 167.51. We're on the verge of an all-time high by $1. We are very easily going to get a new all-time high, in my opinion. Maybe not tomorrow, likely tomorrow, but if not tomorrow, then sometime next week, in my opinion. So we're trading very slightly ascending, holding the exponential support. We've gone green, red, green, red, green, red, green, back and forth, and the bulls are looking to break that pattern tomorrow with a green day and new all-time highs. Weekly time frame, very, very tight range on the weekly so far this whole week, and looking to break that with a strong end of the week, ideally closing above 168.80 or 168.50, I should say, and resistance after that will be 170 psychological. Tesla is getting tight. It too had bull momentum at the end of the day. We have our low, high of the bounce, higher low, lower high, and now an inside bar on the daily time frame. If we get a bull break on Friday of 330.22, we're looking up at 333.10, break that level, and the bounce gets more momentum, and we look to the 50-day and the middle Bollinger Band resistances from there. The weekly time frame is an inside bar as well, unless we can break that 333.10 level, and then we'll be looking at exponential resistances in the mid-330s as a key level to be watching on the weekly time frame as well. So Tesla's on the verge of a bull break. We've got Netflix, bearish reversal candlestick not being confirmed, another bearish reversal candlestick, both showing indecision, and the upper Bollinger Band is going to be tested tomorrow. If we see a bear break of this inside bar of 182.70, it will be a bearish play tomorrow. And if we see a bull break of 185.92, we will be looking for a new all-time high. On the bear break, the middle Bollinger Band, or I should say the upper Bollinger Band on the daily, will be a very key level to be watching in terms of support. Weekly time frame, breaking out, bullish MACD cross, no signs of weakness. Even if we see a red day, nothing to worry about for those bulls. CMG, dumping. And this is an orchestrated dump, in my opinion. It's an attack. The fact that these articles are all coming out now in unison is not a coincidence. We hear nothing about anything about CMG, and now we get, people getting sick in one store and rats out of the ceiling in another. We're going to get snakes in the tacos tomorrow. So, in my opinion, it's orchestrated. Think of how easy it would be if, you have 10 buddies spread out across the country. You say, hey, let's all go short CMG and let's take some pictures in their restaurants and spread it on social media. I'm not saying that's what's happening, but I'm saying that's what I think's happening. And these shorts are running away with it. We're seeing a ton of downside action. We're almost in single digits on the daily RSI. So we had a bullish reversal candlestick yesterday. We needed to break 380, and that didn't happen. That would have been a bull break. But we saw no follow-through. We're still rejecting from lower Bollinger Band daily resistance. We're rejecting from daily exponential resistance. And we closed at the low of the day, indicating further downside is likely tomorrow. We have one support left, and it's multiple year lows, and that's 352.96. That is an absolute must-hold level. Otherwise, we're looking at 350, 345, 340, all the way down. It's time to be looking for a bullish entry, in my opinion. If you're trading in options, you're going to be subject to time decay, and it's going to make it a little bit harder to sit through any further weakness. But if you're trading in common shares, it's certainly very easy to hold through this with the oversold conditions like they are, because we know it's going to bounce. It's just a question of when. We do have earnings approaching. We need to be aware of that if we are going to be holding a position. But at this point, looking for a flush to the downside tomorrow, watching that 352 support, and looking for an entry. But at this point, A cautious trader is waiting for bulls to prove that they have momentum because they have not been able to do that for about 2 months at this point. So bears are in full control, and that is what we've got heading into tomorrow. We'll see you over the weekend. Thanks for watching.